Okay, we have just arrived from Kamismo side to our one of the project here in Alnamas area, and so let us see what is inside and what we are going to do here in this work here with electrical, plumbing, gas, and the low current electrical for TV, telephone, and also for a CCTV. So now this is the entrance. At the left or the men's sala. So here there is an AC, split type unit of AC with our outlets for TV, another one convenience outlet there, and then another convenience outlet there at the corner. Alright, and then the other side there is also a convenience outlet, and here is going to be the switches for all the light, and here is the panel board for the ground floor. So all the power supply will be coming from this panel board for the ground floor, and that one there is for the junction box for TV. Now here is our sala. Here this is going to be the switches, and that is for the convenience outlet there, another convenience outlet, and that one there is for the split type AC. And here is the gorfanum, or also the bedroom. This one is for the switch, and that one there is for the AC. There is a convenience outlet there, another convenience outlet there, and at the corner convenience outlet, and here is also another convenience outlet. And here we have the living area. There is a split type AC unit, and with the TV outlet there, and then we have also the switches for the lights here. This is also part of the living area. There is going to be a switch there. There is one split type AC unit. Here is the switches for the lights, and another split type AC here, and there is a convenience outlet there. There is a convenience outlet there also, and here is going to have a switch here. Here is the kitchen. So in the kitchen we have our switches here, and also our outlet there. Okay, and here outlet, and also outlet, convenience outlet there, another set of convenience outlet at the corner. So that's it for the ground floor, and then we will go to the first floor. So this, okay, first we will go to the right. At the right we have a master's bedroom here. So at the master's bedroom we have here the closet. Oh, it's very dark there. Anyway, and here is one split type AC and TV, and here also is the switch for the lights, and also the switches for the bathroom. We have convenience outlet there, another convenience outlet in that side, another convenience outlet, and here is for the switches for the lights. And here is the sala, and here will be the panel board for the first floor, and that one there is for the junction box for TV cable, and here will be the switches for lights, and there is another convenience outlet there. Here is another convenience outlet, and here is the AC and TV. And here is a bedroom. Here is the switches, and there is a split unit AC there, convenience outlet there, and there will be our TV. And here is another bedroom. Here is the switches. There is another convenience outlet there. There is another convenience outlet in that corner. And here will be a split type AC with the TV outlet. Here is the living area. There is a switch there. There is the TV outlet there, and here will be an AC with the TV outlet. Here is our switches for the lights. There is also another convenience outlet there at the corner. Then here, another convenience outlet. And here is the kitchen. For the kitchen, there is our switches for lights there. There is another convenience outlet, another convenience outlet there, and also convenience outlet in that side. Here is another bedroom. Our outlet for switches and TV. There is a convenience outlet there, and another convenience outlet there, and this is our split type AC. Here is another bedroom. There is a switch there. There is also a TV outlet. There is a convenience outlet there, and another split type AC, another convenience outlet, and this one here is the elevator shafting, and in this first floor we have 2 panel boards. So 1 panel board in the living area, and this one here for this 2 bedrooms. We have a separate panel boards for this, and it will be installed here. Okay, so we will go to the rooftop. Okay, at the rooftop we have another sala here. Here is a switch and another split type AC with the TV outlet. Here is another switch. Another convenience outlet, and also convenience outlet there. Here is another convenience outlet. And here is another TV outlet. And also we have a kitchen here. There is the location of our switch for this kitchen. Another outlet there, convenience outlet, and also convenience outlet. Here also we have another bedroom. 1 bedroom here. This is our switches for the lights. Another convenience outlet there. Convenience outlet there. And here is our split type AC. And here we have another bedroom, and also convenience outlet. There is an AC split type unit, and there is an outlet there. And for this rooftop floor we have our panel board here, and that is the junction box for TV and telephone. Okay, and this one here is the elevator shafting. There is an outlet here and also switches for the staircase behind the elevator shafting. So we go down to the staircase, going at the back of the building. So we are now at the ground floor. There is a two-way switch here, another outlet there, and this is the elevator shafting from the ground. And it seems still a foggy day here in Alnamas. And so with this job, this video, we are showing you what we are going to do with our particular job here, the electrical and the plumbing, and we are going to make a video from time to time in order for us to update the progress of our job. So for now, we will be doing the concrete breaking, boxes, runner boards, and also for the pipes for our electrical conduit and the pipes for the water line. So after the concrete breaking, we will make another video in order for us to update our job. So that's it for now. The next video we will be showing you when we finish all the concrete breaking.